Embarking on woodworking projects can be a highly rewarding experience, especially for beginners eager to express their creativity while crafting functional items. Whether you are looking to sell your creations or give them as heartfelt gifts, a variety of projects can be tailored to suit different tastes and occasions. To start, it's important to choose projects that are manageable yet allow for creativity. Beginners should look for designs that use basic techniques and tools while offering room for personalization. Simple projects can provide a strong foundation for learning, and as your skills grow, you can tackle more complex designs. One engaging project is crafting personalized wooden signs. These signs can serve numerous purposes, such as marking a family name, welcoming guests, or adding a decorative touch to any room. Begin by selecting a piece of wood that suits your aesthetic, such as pine or cedar. Using a jigsaw or a bandsaw, cut the wood into your desired shape, whether that's a rectangle, circle, or something more whimsical. After sanding the edges smooth, you can use wood-burning tools or stencils to add text or designs. Finishing the sign with a weather-resistant sealant allows it to be used outdoors, making it a perfect gift for a garden or porch. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative woodworking project ideas for sale or gift/woodworking projects for beginners. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another project idea is creating wooden coasters. Coasters are simple to make and can be customized in countless ways. Start with small squares or circles of wood, and consider using different types of wood to create a contrasting effect. Sand the pieces thoroughly to avoid any rough edges. You can leave them natural, stain them, or even paint designs on them. Adding a protective finish, such as polyurethane, enhances durability and allows for easier cleaning. Coaster sets can make great gifts, especially when packaged nicely, and they are always in demand at craft fairs. For those looking to explore functional decor, consider constructing a small wooden shelf. Shelves are practical and provide an opportunity to showcase your woodworking skills. Choose a simple design, such as a floating shelf, which can be achieved using a few boards and brackets. Cut the boards to your desired length and width, then sand and finish them to enhance their appearance. You can personalize the shelf by adding decorative elements, such as carved brackets or painted designs. Such shelves can be marketed as stylish storage solutions for homes, making them appealing to buyers. Crafting picture frames is another beginner-friendly project that can be both creative and practical. Picture frames can be made from scrap wood or offcuts, making them an economical choice. You can create frames in various sizes and styles, from classic rectangular shapes to more modern designs. Start by cutting the wood to the desired dimensions, then join the pieces using wood glue or nails. After assembling the frame, sand it down and apply a finish that complements the decor of the intended space. Offering personalized options, such as engraved names or dates, can increase their desirability as gifts. Decorative trays can also be a fun project that combines functionality with creativity. Wooden trays can be used for serving food or as decorative items on coffee tables or entryways. To create a simple tray, cut a rectangular or square piece of wood for the base, then add sides to form a shallow box. You can enhance the design by incorporating handles, which can be made from wood or metal. Personalization options, such as painting or staining the tray, can make it a unique gift. Trays are versatile items that can appeal to a wide audience, making them great for selling. For a more playful project, consider creating wooden toys. Simple designs, such as building blocks or puzzles, can be both fun to make and enjoyable for children. Start with smooth, unfinished wood to ensure safety for young hands. Consider using non-toxic paints or finishes to enhance the toys while keeping them safe for children. Customizing the toys with colors or shapes can make them appealing as gifts. Wooden toys often evoke a sense of nostalgia and are sought after by parents who value sustainable and durable products. Plant holders or small planters can also be an engaging woodworking project. With the growing trend of indoor gardening, creating unique wooden plant holders can attract buyers looking to enhance their living spaces. Begin by selecting wood that is resistant to moisture, such as cedar or redwood. You can design simple boxes or more intricate hanging planters. Finishing the wood with a protective sealant will help maintain its integrity over time. Adding personal touches, such as engraving or painting, can create a unique product that appeals to plant enthusiasts. As you gain confidence in your woodworking skills, consider making wooden key holders or organizers. These functional items can help keep homes organized while adding a decorative element. Start with a piece of wood that can serve as a base and attach hooks for keys, small shelves for mail, or even a small chalkboard for reminders. Personalizing the organizer with names or designs can make it a thoughtful gift for families or new homeowners. Such organizers are practical and can be marketed as stylish solutions for everyday clutter. Another creative idea is to craft wooden candle holders. Simple designs can be made using a single piece of wood with drilled holes to hold candles. You can experiment with different shapes and sizes, from rustic log holders to more modern geometric designs. Sanding and finishing the wood enhances its appearance and safety. Candle holders can be marketed as decorative items for homes, making them popular choices for gifts, especially during holidays or special occasions. For those interested in more intricate crafting, consider making wooden jewelry. Simple necklaces, bracelets, or earrings can be crafted from small pieces of wood. Start by cutting the wood into shapes that appeal to your style and design. Sand each piece thoroughly to ensure a smooth finish, and consider using non-toxic finishes for safety. Adding elements like beads or metal accents can enhance the jewelry's appeal. Unique wooden jewelry pieces can attract attention at craft fairs and online platforms, making them excellent options for selling. If you enjoy working with reclaimed materials, consider creating rustic home decor. Items made from reclaimed wood often tell a story, making them appealing to buyers who value sustainability. You could make rustic wall art, shelves, or even furniture pieces. The process involves selecting and preparing the wood, which can include removing nails and cleaning it up. The character of reclaimed wood can add a unique touch to your projects, appealing to those looking for one-of-a-kind items. As you work on these projects, remember the importance of quality and craftsmanship. Attention to detail can set your work apart from mass-produced items, making it more appealing to potential buyers. Investing time in finishing touches, such as sanding and applying protective coatings, ensures your items are durable and visually appealing. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative woodworking project ideas for sale or gift/woodworking projects for beginners. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.